Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best welding helmets. Mastering welding is a valuable skill for do-it-yourself enthusiasts, but it comes with potential dangers. However, fear not. We have the perfect solution: welding helmets. So don your fashion-forward armor and unleash your inner welding virtuoso. With these helmets as your trusty companions, you'll not only conquer the sparks but also make a sizzling fashion statement that'll turn heads. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth welding helmet in our list is the Miller 2845 Digital Infinity Welding Helmet, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Picture this: a sleek matte black exterior complemented by cutting-edge LED accents that scream techno warrior chic. Trust me, it's the kind of gear that'll make you feel like you just step out of a cyberpunk movie. But it's not all about appearances. The Miller 2845 Digital Infinity packs some serious tech. With its digital lens, you'll be witnessing your welds in high definition as if you were peering through augmented reality goggles. And the best part? It's auto-darkens in a snap, so you don't have to worry about fumbling with manual adjustments. Talk about convenience, right? Let's not forget the colossal viewing area, which provides a panoramic spectacle of your welding universe. No more squinting and straining your eyes to see what's going on. Comfort-wise, it's lightweight, adjustable, and breathable, making those long welding sessions feel like a breeze. Take note though, the helmet relies on batteries to power its digital features. While this is convenient in terms of portability, it also means that you'll need to ensure the batteries are always charged or have spares on hand to avoid interruptions in your work. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for professional welders. Its expansive viewing area, high-definition lens, and auto-darkening capabilities enhance visibility, allowing professionals to execute their welding tasks with accuracy and confidence. The fourth welding helmet in our list is the YesWelder M800HP, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Prepare to be awestruck by its sleek contemporary design. The M800HP rocks a matte finish that exudes serious style points, accompanied by LED accents that pulse with electric energy. But hold up, this helmet isn't just about looking cool, it's a beast of performance too. With its lightning-fast auto-darkening lens, the M800HP adapts instantaneously to the intensity of your welding arc. No more delays or distractions, just a seamless transition into a world of crystal-clear vision and precision. Speaking of vision, get ready to be blown away by the massive viewing area. It's a visual feast that opens up your welding universe, allowing you to immerse yourself fully in your craft. Say goodbye to cramped spaces and hello to a panoramic spectacle that lets your creative sparks fly. Plus, it's super light, expertly adjustable, and boasts superior ventilation. No more sweaty discomfort or annoying distractions. This helmet keeps you cool and comfortable, allowing you to focus on creating your masterpiece. Now, some users have shared that the helmet's auto-darkening feature may be overly sensitive to sunlight. This can result in the lens darkening even when not directly exposed to welding arcs, potentially causing inconvenience and hindering visibility in certain environments. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for budget-conscious welders. This model provides impressive features at a competitive price point, making it ideal for welders on a budget. The third welding helmet in our list is the ESAB A50, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The ESAB A50 boasts a futuristic design with clean lines and a glossy finish that screams sophistication. It's like strapping on a piece of tech straight out of a sci-fi flick, ready to elevate your welding experience to cosmic heights. Aside from that, it comes equipped with a crystal-clear lens that enhances visibility, allowing you to see your welding universe in dazzling detail. Worried about the hassle of manual adjustments? Fear not. The A50's auto-darkening feature reacts in a flash, adapting to your welding arcs with lightning speed. It's like having a welding sidekick that anticipates your every move, ensuring precision and seamless transitions. Comfort? Check. Its ergonomic design, adjustable headgear, and lightweight construction ensure you can focus on creating masterpieces without any distracting discomfort. Whether you're a budding welding prodigy or a DIY maven, the ESAB A50 is your ticket to welding glory. It's the embodiment of modernity, combining sleek aesthetics with state-of-the-art functionality. Just a heads up, some users have noted that the A50 is relatively heavier compared to other welding helmets. This can potentially lead to increased fatigue during prolonged welding sessions, especially for welders who prioritize lightweight gear. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for heavy industrial applications such as fabrication or manufacturing. It provides superior visibility, efficient arc detection, and seamless transitions, allowing welders to maintain high productivity and accuracy. The second welding helmet in our list is the Optrel Crystal 2.0 Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, Crystal Lens Technology. With its unparalleled optical class and color perception, it reveals the true colors of your work with stunning clarity. Say goodbye to eye strain worries. This helmet offers exceptional light transmission of up to 31%, delivering a bright and natural view of your welding environment. It's like witnessing your creations come to life with a remarkable precision, turning each weld into an absolute masterpiece. What's more, it incorporates innovative twilight technology, ensuring seamless transitions from light to dark and minimizing eye fatigue. Seamlessly tackle various welding tasks from low-intensity TIG welding to high-amperage applications without compromising vision or comfort. Here's the best part. No more juggling multiple helmets or compromising safety. With its grind mode, you can effortlessly switch gears and handle diverse tasks without skipping a beat. It transforms into a versatile multi-tool, seamlessly transitioning from welding to grinding without the need for helmet swaps. However, keep in mind that as it offers an array of advanced settings and customization options, they may pose a slight learning curve for welding novices or those who prefer a simpler interface. But don't worry, with a little practice, you'll harness its full power and experience the remarkable capabilities of this welding helmet. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to individuals with larger budgets who are willing to invest in a premium welding experience. The helmet's higher price point makes it an ideal choice for those who prioritize top-of-the-line features, exceptional optical clarity, and long-term durability. The best welding helmet in our list is the Viking 3350 welding helmet, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. To kick things off, let's delve into its standout features. The Viking 3350 takes center stage with its ultra-responsive auto-darkening lens, ensuring lightning-fast reaction times to protect your eyes from harmful arcs. Not only that, but it also offers a crystal-clear, high-definition view of your welding canvas, providing an unparalleled visual experience. But it doesn't stop there. This helmet also offers an impressive 12.5 square inch viewing area, allowing you to see your work with exceptional clarity and detail. With its durable construction, the Viking 3350 withstands the toughest welding environments, providing you with a reliable partner for your creative endeavors. Comfort is key, and the Viking 3350 delivers in spades. It features a soft, padded front and rear headband to help eliminate pressure points, while the two top head straps evenly distribute weight. Plus, the easy-to-use slide adjustable band headband allows the operator to ensure a snug fit. With ample ventilation, you stay cool and focused, unlocking your true potential as a welding virtuoso. Now, although the Viking 3350 provides a generous viewing area, some users have mentioned that the peripheral vision is slightly limited compared to wider angle helmets. This may require slight head adjustments to maintain optimal visibility. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for welders in diverse environments. Whether you work indoors or outdoors, this helmet can adapt to different lighting conditions. This auto-darkening feature ensures seamless transitions, make it suitable for welders who frequently switch between various work environments. And there you have it, folks, our best welding helmets, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next welding helmet roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.